Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on fingerprint on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that fingerprint security is very convenient because you don't need to remember a password or carry physical code. Your fingerprint is always with you to unlock your cell phone or your lock apps. And how to turn on your fingerprint is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again. And then now you can go to fingerprint, face lock, and screen lock. And then after that, now you can go to fingerprint unlock. And then now you can confirm your screen lock first. And then after that, now you can add your fingerprint and press and hold and then click done, and your fingerprint is already registered. And now I will prove you that this feature is work. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.